Hi, it's your girl Iman Mill, here to teach you on how to have a better life. Today I will be explaining the 3 types of ways of learning, and you can decide which one are you. Number 1 would be visual. Visual learners, they learn through pictures, through drawings, anything that they can see, that's how they learn. They like to look at maps, diagrams. They learn in peaceful areas such as the library, at the park under the tree, reading a book where there's absolutely no distraction. Is that you? Look at this wind. Oh my God, I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, the number 2 way to learn would be auditorial. Auditorial individuals, they learn things through their ears. Auditorial individuals, they love asking as many questions as possible. They love being very, very talkative. They just want you to hear them and know that they hear you and that they are learning. Are you auditorial? I have a lot of auditorial people in my life. Number 3 would be kinesthetic. Kinesthetic learners are very, very, very awesome people. Because I would say that I'm a kinesthetic learner. We like to move around. We like to touch. Give me that, give me that. We like to move in different places. A lot of individuals, I don't know if you guys have children or not, but like children who are under the age of 5, they're very kinesthetic learners. That's why you see like on TV, for an example, Barney, they have them like getting up and dancing and moving around, singing different songs, touching different objects. Like when they're drawing, when they're writing, they want to feel the crayon. They have to, that's how they learn, pretty much. Okay, it's your girl Iman Mill giving you some advice on how to have a better life.